Alright, so next module we have inside here is utility. And let's start with attach hair curves to surface. And for this we need a surface. So currently I have a icosphere, right? Now let's hide it for now. And let's change the surface to icosphere. And you'll see something cool happened here, right? So what exactly is happening? So let me change it to cube, right? And let me enable my icosphere. So what it is doing, it is just technically just doing a operation where it is snapping to the surface of the icosphere, right? And it gives us a very interesting result. So it is only just extracting only pointing from one single vertex, which is like a root for this cube, right? And pretty much that's it. With the attached hair curves to surface, it doesn't do that much. It's just going to attach all the vertex towards the center of the surface of the reference object here, right? So it is that. Then we have redistribute curve points, and what it does, it is just going to give us like a switch between our original cube and a modified redistributed curve points on top of the faces of that cube. And we get a boolean option of feature awareness, which is like a switch in between, right? So it is that very simple to understand. And we also get a restore curve segment length, which is going to offset your curve segments. It is just going to split it and it is going to offset it, right? We can do the pinning at parameters, which is not doing anything right now. Let me actually switch it to my Susan model here, and you can see it looks much cooler here, right? And pretty much that's it with the hair utility. I know I'm explaining too fast, but it is literally it. There is not much to explain. It is not a theoretical video. I will always suggest you go back to the Blender manual online and you will see the theory. It is just for the examples. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like and share this video and subscribe to channel so you don't miss the next part.